They're at it again, wearing the same masks with the same picket signs. Expelled members stood outside the gates of another house of worship in Southern California, this time in Long Beach, attempting to disrupt the peaceful religious worship of the members, but to no avail.
Subalit nang lumabas po ang mga kapatid at hindi sila pinansin na parang wala silang nakita.
A little over a dozen protesters stood outside of the chapel, hiding behind these Guy Fawkes masks. Just 2 days before was Guy Fawkes Day, who was regarded in history as a religious terrorist, a traitor, and a zealot who sought out to kill so he could impose his views on others. Terrorizing and imposing their views is what this group attempted to do today, to people who simply just wanted to worship God.
At about 9:30, when it usually ends, we open the gates, prepare for the brethren to leave, and that's when we notice those people holding up the signs.
This is the same group of protesters with whom Julius and Lizelle Diocampo, expelled INC members, have close ties with and have joined with in earlier protests. One thing is certain, though. These events are planned and calculated, and that there are leaders behind these events. A group who is desperately wanting to gain supporters, but certainly didn't find it here in Long Beach after the worship service.
Lumabas po ang mga kapatid sa unang gate, naroon sila, hindi sila pinansin, ay nagpalipat-lipat po sila ng mga gates sapagkat dito po sa aming lokal, meron po kaming 3 gates. Sa other side, ganun din po ang naging reaksyon ng mga kapatid na parang walang nakita. Lumipat po dun sila sa pinaka-back gate po, sa likod. Garunin po ang ginawa ng mga kapatid. Parang walang nakita sila.
I was really happy about that because when they were leaving, they just ignored them completely and went home.
For the second week in a row, the protesters have attempted to disrupt the solemnity of activities held by the Iglesia Ni Cristo in Southern California, towards questionable motives. It is clear that their efforts is to disrupt the activities of the members of the church or to deter them from their activities. The members, though, generally ignore their presence, for as quickly as they arrived, they dispelled within the hour.
Like in school, people, when they bully you, they want to get a reaction out of you. So then the best thing to do is not to have a reaction. So that's why they probably left earlier, because they're like, oh, they're not doing anything, let's leave.
These disgruntled protesters continue to hide behind their Guy Fawkes masks. But do they even know the truth behind the persona they've chosen to represent them? A man who history books say conspired with others towards a failed assassination attempt by trying to blow up the English Parliament. Their real plot was to kill then King James I of England and Scotland. Hopefully, these individuals have no such intent, but the use of the masks still leave one questioning their real motives. This may be connected to the previously reported events designed to defame the church administration, but for true members, this is just another failed attempt to derail them from their strong faith and love for the church.
At ang mga kapatid po dito sa lokal ng Long Beach ay nananatili po na kaisa ng pamamahala. Ang totoo po, yung nangyari kanina ay baliwala sa kanila. Solido po ang kanilang pananampalataya. At mula po sa aming mga may tungkulin dito sa Long Beach hanggang sa lahat ng kapatid, mananatili po kami na kaisa ng kasalukuyang tagapamahalang pangkalahatan. Ipagtatanggol po namin ang iglesia, ang namamahala sa lahat ng gustong puminsala sa tagapamahalang pangkalahatan. Yan po ay kaya naming ipangako at ipinapangako namin sa Diyos at sa kasalukuyang pamamahala.
Reporting from Long Beach, California, this is Hernani Zapanta for Eagle News.